Okay everyone, we're going to go down and check out how my little garden's going down here. I stuck it. Holy shit, look at the growth in that. It's only barely a week. Two weeks maybe? Far out. And these ones are coming up. These ones over here started coming up last week. It's insane. But still not much yet from the peas and the beans. There's a few little shoots down there which might be, well, I think they might be the carrots, because the carrots are in front of the peas and the beans there. Hopefully the peas and the beans come up. But yeah, at this stage it just looks like it's the God, they're the little turnips I put in. Yeah, God, they're hammering away. And then down here was the, down on the end there was the spinach. So those 3 rows there will be the spinach. Playing to go over, so I'll give those a good water now, and onwards and upwards with my little garden.